I am Sivraj Meena, Regional Administrator here. Regarding our COVID-19 preparedness, see, today I visited check post and I found that so many persons are moving here and there. Actually, I already requested that be at home, there should not be unnecessary movement. Only essential work is there, you should go and do it. Please don't come out unnecessarily. Every family, 1 or 2% may be having essential work. They only should come out. Otherwise, risk is still there. You know very well that Ramchandranpuram, Mami Dada area, so many positive cases are there. And it's spreading very speedily. So, if you want to be safe, 100% you should be at home. So, my humble request to everybody, please be at home. And other than this, I would like to say that today onwards, at the check post, we started a scanning system. So we generated barcode and we are scanning it. So those persons, they want to go regularly out and they want to come in, we do the essential work. Please apply with voter ID. Without voter ID, no one should come out from home. This is my humble request. Otherwise, they will face the problem at the check post. So, voter ID is must. Your EPIC ID, compulsory. So, we will scan the voter ID. We will permit. Yanam to Yanam, no problem at all. I will permit everyone those are having essential work with EPIC number. We will scan the voter ID. We will allow. If someone is having permanent work, daily moving, we are giving permanent EPIC, permanent power code. Those are having temporary work for 1 day only. We are giving temporary permission. Those are unnecessary moving, we are rejecting. Those are not having voter ID, we are rejecting. So please come with voter ID if you want to go out. Accordingly, we will scan it and we will allow. So this is the must. Please, today onwards, you bring your voter ID with you. So we are having 3 options. Again, I am repeating. Those are daily worker or those are having daily work. For going and coming, we are giving permanent permission. Those are going temporarily for 1 day, then we will allow them temporarily only. Those are unnecessary movement or not having proper ID, proper documents, we will reject. So, persons like health staff, government officials, farmers, aquaculture, some businesses, we will permit with EPIC number. So this is my again humble request, come with voter ID, otherwise you will face problem at the check post. Compulsorily bring voter ID. And you know quarantine already I explained so many times. We are having proper system, red zone institutional quarantine, orange and green zone home quarantine, doctor's team visiting regularly. Till now everything is okay. Luckily we didn't get any person positive. But my request that you cooperate with health staff. Yesterday I got complaint that so many persons are not cooperating with health staff. I will book the FIR. I will file a case against them. No mercy here. Health staff, ASHA workers, they are working day and night with very minimal salary. They are working for public, doing social work, and you are not cooperating with them and fighting. No, 100% not permitted. Please cooperate with our health staff and police. Otherwise, you have to face the problem. So these are my humble request. Be at home, cooperate with the health staff and police and administration. And if you want to come out, come with voter ID. Otherwise, you will face problem at the check post. and again repeating Yanam to Yanam, like Kankalpeta to city and city to Kankalpeta, or Savitnagar, Giriampeta, Dareltippa, Ainanagar, Kamadipeta to city and city to these villages. No problem. If you are coming with voter ID, you will be permitted with permanent or temporary. Thank you.